Okay, last video we did a quick syndication of a server X feed we did within the plugin. We're going to do one more of those before we get into the server X user interface, just to show you different types of feeds, source feeds you can use. What I'm going to do is I'm going to log into your Deer Stand blog. Remember, you go WP admin to log in. And then what I'm going to go to site admin. We're going to create one more blog real fast. We'll create blog, and go add blog, and we'll call this hunting facts, or we'll call it questions. And then we'll give it a title, hunting questions. And if you can guess, what I'm doing is I'm going to be using Yahoo Answers for this. And once again, use your generic admin at myhuntingaccessories.com. And we're going to go ahead and add it. It takes a few seconds. And there we go. We added it. I'm going to go up to the top here. Just a second. Here we are, hunting questions. And now I'm here. It's going to take a few seconds to get there. I'm going to activate the plugin again, because every blog you create, you got to activate the blogslammer plugin. Okay, so we have a new plugin here. We're going to create another feed. The default feed here, source feed, happens to be Yahoo Answers. So we're going to use that. I'll go to feed creator. And once again, use your username, your URL, username, password for server X. Okay. Seed document. We're going to just go ahead and use the same seed document. It's really not going to be used for this example, because we're not going to be generating any new content. What we are going to use, we're going to use the very powerful blogslammer command, RSS encoded content. And what that does is that will take the source feed RSS description, encode it with special characters, and output it. It will make content that is readable and unique at the same time. Okay, and then for the source feed right here, we're going to use the default, which is Yahoo Answers. And then on the bottom, it has your footprint remover. Here you enter items you want to remove from the title, separated by underscores. Basically, this is really made for Yahoo Answers, because that has a footprint on every title, like open question, resolved question, voting question. The default for this in the plugin is a Yahoo Answers footprint remover. You can put anything you want here, but since we're using Yahoo Answers, we're going to leave it as is. I'm going to install it. I'm going to go to Blogslammer tab. Just to go back real fast, the basic options for syndication is you have your delay. How often do you want it to post? 180 actually is too short of a time. I usually use 720 minutes. That's about half a day, I believe. If I'm correct, it's 12 hours. So every 12 hours, it's going to post. To stop syndication, this is just so that you can put a time limit on syndication. So when you want it to stop, it defaults at 4, but we're going to say we're going to leave it at 4. But you should put about 30 days to 40 days. You basically turn syndication on to get it going. Here, this is, remember, you put the feed in there if you want to use a feed directly, or you leave it blank if you're using a feed you installed in the feed creator tab. We're leaving it blank. And finally, we're going to put a couple categories here. First one is deer hunting. That's the keyword, and then you have the underscore, and then you have the nice looking category name. So I'll use caps right there. We'll use what else am I going to use? Deer hunting, elk hunting. We'll say elk hunting, and then elk hunting. And then we're going to set up syndication, and we should have a good site ready to go right now. There you go. That's the site, readable, ready to go, and it's just it's readable by human. Thanks.